Hello guys, I'm Harlan Kaz. To tell you in this tutorials how to go for your Gmail recovery in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, in case someone who has hijacked your Gmail password, hacked your Gmail password, change everything. So now you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone number. How do you reset your Gmail password? Let's learn with live here. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost, unfortunately, his device, and now he doesn't have the recovery email and recovery phone number so that he can reset his password. So let's approach by alternative options to recover it, gain it again. So we are in a Google sign in. Just we will tap on here to next and see here what's happening. It's asking a password, so just we will go for forgot password. We don't have a last password also. Now it is asking here phone number. We don't have a phone number, so now it's essential that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really mine. So Google asks for this info to keep your account secure. So here, to recover your account, try again, answer each question songs. If your account is managed with a family link, should we have the send an email to your the parents to change your password? See, this is a condition where multiple times if we try here, then Google will contact you. That option will be open there. We will have to fill via alternative email with proof identity documents. On the basis of Google will endorse to justify that it's your account or not. If it is, then you will have this strong opportunity to the create once again a strong password, but after 48 hours. 48 hours, so we cannot wait such a long times. Let's recover the quicks. How it is, we will see here. Let's cut it from here and the point of cruise. We will come in a Play Store. In Play Store, we will have to here come in a search bar. There we will have to write here, that is web browser. Now here this is a browser that of course we will tap on it. Now see guys, here it has started to download. On the other hand, of course, we have two chances that's very essential. Hold it, we will come in a app info. We will tap on it and thereupon, yes, we will come in a notification. Notification is already blocked, that's okay. Otherwise, if you will have enabled, then make it disable. Then we will back and now see here it's taking time. Now we will cut it from here because here just we will back and we will hold it. Once again we will come on here, tap on a F info. It's blocked, so now we will tap on a permissions to occurs. We'll come now location. Let's allow make it this precise location disable. You will have enable, so make it disable. Then we will back. No, we don't have to back here. We will have to click on here, don't allow any being. So no longer function as intended for time being, so especially this will be. Now we will back one more time. We will come in a set as a defaults and here make it disable 4-5 times. Click on a clear. Then we will cut it from here. Then once again we will come on this Chrome browser and we will hold it. Now we will come in a notification is already blocked, so that's okay. Now the permission, this is also already blocked, so similar strategy we will have to do. See here, allow, make the precise location disable, then click on a don't allow, then go for here. So it has been disabled. We will have to back 2 times guys here. Let me back. We will come in a browser, we will select in this and we will cut it from here. Now here we will have to open this browser. Let's see what's going to happen here. We'll have to click on maybe later. Let's go for continue. Now here we will have to type here googlecode.in. So let's see. Now we will tap on a sign in. Let's sign in, guys, here. Now we will have to type here this particular ID. Then of course we will go for here. Tap on a next. So it has started to. Now here we don't have a phone number, we don't have a password, so just we will go for. Now here is asking, just we will go for try another way. Now here we will go for don't have a phone number. So here is more tips to recover this account. So don't click on it here, otherwise Google will trace that I'm trying to recover these accounts via different browser. So just we will cut it from here. Now what we will do, guys, here we will have to come in a setting. Let's in setting 2. We will come on here Google service on this here. Now we will come on a tap on it. We will pick these help options. Now here we have a see can't sign your accounts. Let's tap on it. Now you think someone else is using this account. Now we will go for help to us secure this account. Now we will have to come to review your account activities. Now here we can see here find out activity didn't come up from selection. It wasn't me that. Now see here, just we will go for very satisfied informatives. Let's cut it. Now see, guys, here find out if your account has been hacked. This option we will have to pick. Now we will have to here once again we will come in these tabs to recover these accounts. Now see, we don't have a further any options. One is a create a replacement Google account, second is avoid getting locked out of your accounts, and here now see we don't have any ones further. Here is one arrow, see, tap on this arrow, guys. So now we are on here. Once again we'll have to pick this ID, and therefore of course here we will have to go for next. Let's see. Now see here directly would be here. So here what we will have to do, don't click on a continue, just we will be here to change password. Don't click on here that you would be a trap in its verify you option. So just we will be here change password. So now we will have a strong opportunity to create password, confirms a new password, and go for change it. After changing, here we will have to click on this options. Now we will have option that manage your Gmail account. When we will tap on it, then we will go in a security center. There add recovery email and recovery phone number, so that such kind of incident won't be happen again, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorials, because on live screens we cannot create the strong password once again on this ID, because this would be in a public domain. So after screen off, of course we will generate and we will have to enable to this viewer. So to know more information, latest updated notifications, and then of course subscribe, likes and share these contents, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to the make such as informative tutorial, guys. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys.